Best Band Majorette or Best Band Mother. Sino yung bet ninyo?
Mom!
Sino yung bet ninyo?
Mom!
From Misamis or
Alright. Isang mga guwapa ang sinabi.
congratulations. Next, siyempre ang partner sa Band Majorette is the Band Major. Best Band Major is from
Mom! Mom! Mom!
Let me remind everybody that this is a unanimous decision. Best Band Major is from Baliwagan National High School.
Alright, congratulations to the Baliwagan National High School.
Next is the best in costume. Kada o uniform. Diba? Design. Kinsa man!
Mom!
Best in costume
Mom!
goes to Misamis.
Good school. Again, ako ang best in costume. Congratulations again.
Okay. Best in musicality. Diba?
Mom!
Musicality, you have to consider the rhythm and dynamics.
Mom!
No? You have to apply the elements of, what are the elements of music. So, best in musicality. Kinsa man!
Mom!
Baliwagan National High School!
Alak ka dara! Alak ka dara! Dito makadawa!
Again, congratulations to Baliwagan National High School. It's another step of forward. Sulatan sa daw na to si Juan, kato si Van Baker together sa ilang naman. Gusto siya magka-beach ball. Okay na, yan na daw.
Na bro, yun yung kadawat aning dapita ba?
Okay. Best in choreography.
Max!
Okay.
Max!
In choreography,
Max!
hindi lang movements yung i-consider natin. Tinitingnan din namin ang level of difficulty, no? And consistency of smile to the group from the start hanggang sa matapos. Diba? Besides, we have to consider uniqueness of their choreography. Muna akong i-consider. So, best in choreography goes to
Mom!
Best in choreography goes to Misamis!
Once again, congratulations to Rose.
Manfred!
So to all competing participants, especially to the students, whatever decision, whatever result, you must have to accept it. No? Because all of us, a board of judges, amo gini siya i-deliberate in banking process. Diba? So, napay for improvement next time. Diba? Alam na kung kunyo ang mga performances. Also, to the parents and audience, congratulations. Baka maghintay result. So, first consolation prize is from Balunang National High School.
And your representative from Balunang National High School to receive your award. Thank you so much.
Pero in fairness, babay lang ano.
Ito lang ang
Simple kayo, pero magnet na lang, diba?
picture. Thank you. Next.
The second school will receive the consolation prize is from Makabanan National High School.
A representative from Makabanan National High School. Alright, thank you so much. Once again, thank you so much to all schools, teachers, parents, and students. Ngayon sa kalihukan sa Barangay Kauswagan, naganagin salamat sa inyong mga pag-ani and welcome to Barangay Kauswagan.
Okay. For the second place, third place rather, is from Pilgrim Christian College.
Alright, congrats to Pilgrim Christian College.
Next to be announced will be the second place, and understood who will not be announced will be the first place. Naglumba na sila o puno. Naglumba na sila o ampo. So all of you are winners, no? Pero naman kayo pilihan, di ba? So salamat kayo once again sa mga school heads, trainers, and nag-exert of effort, and to the students. Kung wala mo, this activity would not be possible. And the second place goes to... Second place goes to... Baliwagan! High School. Congratulations, everyone.
High School. Thank you so much. Representative from Mons para ma-receive sa inyong awards. Again, representative